Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see your May month predictions and we are going to see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming month. Okay, so let's get started with your reading. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. So before getting started, I'm going to take one card from as a guidance card for you from my Moonology deck. Let's see what is the guidance for my Aquarius. Step out of your comfort zone. Okay, we are going to discuss this situation, what kind of situation you are in. See, things happen, like sometimes we become very lazy. Okay, so step out of your comfort zone can be in physical term and can be in mental terms as well. When we are not able to continue with someone, when we are not able to continue with any situation, but we keep on continuing because how it was being happened, how it was going on from the past some years, from the past some months. So we just keep on going on like that. But you have to step out, you have to take a step, and you have to take an action towards that situation. You cannot keep on going with that person or with that situation for longer terms, and go with the flow is the answer for you. So step out and then go with the flow. I feel that this situation is telling us that you have to keep on moving, you have to keep on doing stuff, you have to keep on working hard for your life, but it will not happen until and unless you will step out. Okay, so let's get the tarot now. What is there? What's there? Okay, what's there for my Aquarius? I'm going to take past, present and future energies for you, for my Aquarius, past, present and future. Okay, overall energy is 7 of Wands. So you might be in that state where you might be feeling to get rid of someone. You might be fighting that I do not want you, no, I do not want you, please just go away from me, something like that. Okay, you are in that situation right now. The past energies are the Star, the Tower and the 10 of Cups. So things were really fine at a certain level with you. You have a lot of hopes with this relationship, with this situation. You were really happy with this situation, but it all of a sudden something happened, a disaster, something, and it was so sudden that you couldn't even imagine how this thing happened. Things which you had high hopes for, it just came down. Okay, if you were thinking of a happy family with someone, it just broke up. A marriage might be a broken marriage, might be you were engaged or something and it just broke off, something like that. A very beautiful relationship, and you had a lot of hopes for that situation. In the present, the Ace of Swords, the Emperor and the 8 of Swords. So you still have got no clarity from that situation. You wanted some clarity why this thing happened, but you didn't get it till now. You are still waiting. Why is this happening? Why did it just end? I didn't get any answer. You are seeking for the answer, but you didn't get one. My future energies, the Page of Pentacles, the High Priestess and the Lovers. Okay, so in the coming future, I feel that a decision making is coming towards you. I think if this is the situation, if this thing has broken already, but a decision has not been made, when some situation between two people or two things, something happened, we try to either make up or break up. Okay, but it didn't happen in either way. So it's still going on. There might be some clarification which might be going on, but the still decision making has to be done. No decision making has been done in regards with the situation as of now. So something is going to happen. Let's see the clarification from Aquarius. Let's see what is the clarification from Aquarius. Clarification now. 7 of Wands. What is the 7 of Wands? Please clear the card as 7 of Wands. Strength card, yes. So this means the inner strength in you. This means that you have started, your inner energies are actually trying to repel this outside force. You have got that inner strength in you to ask the question, why did it happen? And if you got the answer, and if you are not happy with it, if you are not satisfied with the situation, you are ready to let's just leave it. You are showing, you are showing that inner strength, but you are still not able to take any action towards it. And that is why the step out of your comfort zone is here. You know that something is not right. I need clarification. And after that clarification, you will take that step. But still, will you take that step after that? I don't feel so, because it's like you have put, blindfolds in front of your eyes, and you know that you have to take that step. You know that from within, that this cannot be the one, this person cannot be the one, this situation cannot be the one, I have to move on. But still it is going on from a longer time. You are not ready to take an action towards it. Okay, so I got it. Let's see what are the past energies for my Aquarius. The Star, the Tower, and the 10 of Cups. Why are these cards here? Magician with the 3 of Pentacles and Page of Swords. Yeah, you worked really hard. I feel that you manifested for this connection. You really worked hard for this situation, but either this was a communication problem with this person, there were some breakages, there were some blockages in this situation. Maybe the universal message, if we talk about, universe never wanted this thing to happen. By the time it was happening, till the time it was happening, you felt really good, the other person felt really good, you were very happy. But when things happen suddenly, it's a way, the universe wants to tell you that this was not meant to happen. Let's see your present energies. Ace of Swords, the Emperor, and 8 of Swords. Why are these energies coming up? I want to see why the Ace of Swords is here first. One more card. Okay, for 8 of Swords I need 2 cards. Okay, clarity and decision making in terms of this situation is happening. Okay, but the decision making has not been done yet. You are still in the middle, because I'm seeing that Lovers is in present and is in the coming future as well. So yes, whatever the things which you need to decide, you have to think a lot, and you have to think from another person's point of view, because with the Emperor, he does not have any feelings. Okay, Emperor is a fatherly figure, although they are very fatherly, but they are very strict as well. So strictness, you have to think very practical when it comes to this situation. You cannot just tell your emotion that you are feeling emotional, you are emotional towards this person. No, this thing does not happen like that. No, you have to think it out, you have to clear it, and then take a decision, not just like that. Okay, that whatever happened, let's just wait. Okay, going with the flow, I don't feel that going with the flow will be an answer for this situation. You have to take a step out of your comfort zone, otherwise this situation will not be handled by itself. Universe has told you in the past that this is not the person, this is not the thing which you want, there's something more coming towards you. But I feel that you manifested it and you brought it together again with this person. Something happened and you were back, but again you are in the same cycle. Okay, Page of Pentacles with the High Priestess and the Lovers. Let me get one clarification card. Yeah. The world card is here. The process, completion of the process. Do not try to hold it again. Do not try to just let it be, go with the flow. I cannot do anything. No, you have to take any step. You have to. Decision making has to be done from your end. You know that this is not the situation. You know that there's something better coming up for me. You know, might be this can be a career decision which you are in. You might be into something else. You know, this might be a father in the emperor side. You know, if this is a business thing, you are involved with the family, but you do not want to be with your family to continue this business thing, and you want to take something, you know, a kind of job or something. You have to start something new of your own, but you are not able to. So this is the time where the month of May is a time where you need to take some decisions of your life. Okay, so that is all from my side, Aquarius. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.